Assalamualaikum guys, this is me Sabawoon Nangrahary and today I have small message for you guys, especially for kids. That is, never give up in your life. Try. The more you try, you will get success. Believe me, just because it's hard, it doesn't mean it can be done. So don't you just sit there and down in self-pity. Yes, I'm talking to you. You're going to struggle. You're going to try. But if you look for a solution, I promise you can find it. Realize that giving up is not the option that you must take. You gotta have that mindset that giving up is not the option. Give up? Who, me? Never. Stop? Who, me? Never. That's for the next guy. That's for the next girl. But not me. Why? Because I don't give up. Ain't how I do, ain't how I roll. But I never give up. Never give up on your purpose. And never give up on your opportunities. Never give up on living your life. Be strong each and every day. Your biggest problem is that you give up. If you want to give up on quitting. Give up on I can. Give up on trying. Go after it. Go hard. Go strong. Never give up. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.